Good evening. Welcome to Current Affairs. Now let me straight away open the document and let's have a look at the questions. Then we continue with our discussion. Look at this now. Look at this. International Youth Day is observed on. Every day is important, I told you. Any day may be a question in the examination. That's the reason why. So we are frequently coming across with these type of points. International Youth Day is observed on. Look at this. This is observed across the world on August 12th. Why? To recognize the efforts put in by the youth for the betterment of the society. Because in the world, youth is going to play very crucial role, and youth is already playing a crucial role. Maybe in politics, maybe in administration, maybe in other activities with respect to the development of the society, right? And you should be very carefully, observing this. And even in India also, there is a large number of youth, and highest number of youth in the world is present in India. Right? Very important one. Meaning the role that is played by youth in the society is very immense. Look at this. And as far as this year International Youth Day is concerned, for the year 2020, the theme is Youth Engagement for Global Action. Look at the points clearly. Youth Engagement for Global Action. Please remember this. Next, World Elephant Day is observed on August 12th, 18th, 17th or May 12th. And the answer is August 12th. Please remember this, because elephant, the discussion on the elephants is very much there every time. And these animals must be protected, they must be preserved. Look at this. World Elephant Day is an international annual event on August 12th. And this day is dedicated to the preservation and protection of the world's elephants. Important one. And in India, we launched Project Elephant in the year 1992. And kindly remember, the African elephants are listed as vulnerable and Asian elephants are listed as endangered. Endangered on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. Kindly look at this. Every time we discuss that, because of this environmental degradation, the plant species and animal species are being threatened. Some are vulnerable, some are endangered, and some are extinct. Once they are extinct, it is not possible to get them back. That is the reason why when they are available, they must be preserved and they must be protected. And August 12th is the day. August 12th is the day where the message is sent to the entire world with respect to preserving these animals. Clear? Next. Look at this. What is the name of the initiative that aims to connect all the 1.5 lakh health and wellness centers established under Ayushman Bharat? Very important one. Ayushman Bharat is the largest government funding health program in the world. In the world, this is the largest government funding health program. Now the question is that, what is the initiative which is aiming to connect 1.5 lakh health and welfare and wellness centers? Is it e-Arogya, e-Raksha, e-Sanjeevani, or none of the above? And the answer is e-Sanjeevani. Very important one. This is implemented under Ayushman Bharat. Very important one. Right? And basic idea is to connect all 1.5 lakh health and wellness centers. Recently, Defense Ministry placed how many items in the negative list, that Ministry of Defense will stop importing. In the earlier class also we have discussed that India wants to manufacture certain items which are related to defense. When we import from some other country, obviously that will be a huge burden because we need to pay for import bills. But as a mechanism under Make in India, why don't we start producing on our own? Clear? That is the reason why the Ministry of Defense has decided that certain number of the items should not be imported and will be stop importing that. What is the number? 58, 89, 101, 121, and the answer is 101 defense items. Very, very, very important. What is the purpose? Look at the point number 2. This will boost indigenization of defense production and is in line with the government's target to reach a turnover of $25 billion by the year 2025. Important. Okay, now we'll be moving ahead now. Addu Atoll is located in Australia, Maldives, Spain, or Thailand. First of all, let me tell you what exactly is the meaning of this atoll. You must be aware of this, but let me tell you. Now, say for example, if you must be knowing what is an island. Island is a land that is surrounded by water on 4 sides. That is called island. Reverse to island is atoll, meaning there is a body of water surrounded by land on 4 sides is called atoll. That's it. Clear? So whenever you come across with the word island, also recollect atoll. Whenever you come across with the word atoll, recollect island. Both are just opposite. Island means land surrounded by water on 4 sides. Atoll means water body that is surrounded by land on 4 sides. Now look at the question. You will get the answer now. What is the question? Addu Atoll is located in. Answer is option B, that is Maldives. Okay. So look at this. So this is how an atoll looks. Look at this. Right? Next, we'll be going ahead. Look at this. Recently, which country successfully tested the advanced missile defense system Arrow 2? Arrow 2. Any country which is developing anything is important for the examination point of view. Now the question is related to advanced missile defense system called Arrow 2. Which is the country that successfully tested this? Russia, Israel, France, or UK? Answer is option B, that is Israel. It successfully tested the advanced missile defense system Arrow 2. Please remember this one. This missile was developed to defend against the short and mid-range rockets that are fired from Lebanon and Gaza, and also long-range missiles fired from Iran. Okay. So look at this. This is the one. Right? Next. Which of the following launched Swachh Sarvekshan 2020? Is it, kindly look at this, Swachh Sarvekshan regarding this, every year we are discussing this. Now the point is that, which of the following has launched this? Is it Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation, or Ministry of Rural Development, or Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, or Niti Aayog? Important one, and the answer is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. And this is what is Swachh Sarvekshan? This is an annual cleanliness survey. That's all for the day, and I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you so much. Take very good care.